Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, thousands of people lost their account in the last couple of days, especially on Friday and Thursday because of sudden selling pressure on gold. But the selling pressure on gold or the downside on gold was very much important for the proper functioning of the market. In our previous videos, though we were buying, but we also discussed that market going up continuously without retracement was not healthy. So obviously our SLs were hit, but market is finally coming down and this is normal. We can say that okay, finally gold is getting back to normalcy. Okay, so right now, okay, things are a little bit dicey. Okay, market is extremely volatile, so do not use tight stop losses. This market, okay, this market doesn't deserve tight stop losses. If you go for tight SLs, then your stop loss will be hit very easily. If you want, you can lower down the lot size. For example, if you usually go with a lot size of 0.1, then you can lower your lot size to 0.05. But please avoid tight SLs of 20-30 pips because this market this market requires space, so your SL should be at least 50 to 70 pips at least. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunities for Monday, and let's also discuss what is going on, okay, where the downside is going to stop or what we can expect from the market. So if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold prices fall more than 2%. Gold falls as markets tumble on tariff wars, even as US hiring surge in March. Okay, so this is the ongoing market sentiment. You can see the selling pressure is there on the chart of gold, and technically also, okay, we can expect further downside. And this is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that if the selling pressure on gold continues, then the next stop will be around 2950. Why 2950? Because the previous resistance will be working as support here. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average coming up. So 2950 will be the next immediate support, not 3000. Okay, usually 3000, okay, it's a round number, psychological support, but chances of market breaking 3000 is pretty high, and market heading towards 2950 is also high. So let's expect that if continues market continues the downside, 2950 will be the next support. Because if we look at the contracts data also, you can see that we do not have, okay, a good number of contracts standing at 3000 area. You can see 3000, okay, has only 2500 contracts, plus there's a change of minus 1900. Not a good sign for 3000 level. So obviously the strength of 3000 is, okay, gone. It's very weak now. If we look at 2950, okay, you can see 2950 also doesn't have any such contracts. That's why I said that 2950 is the next support technically. If we look at the contracts data, okay, then okay, we can see the next big support on the chart of gold is around 2800. So the selling pressure is high right now. Okay, so if market comes for bigger correction, then maybe we will see gold heading towards 2800, because if market breaks 2950, okay, the sell may continue. So time will speak. Okay, time will speak. So if you have any sell on gold right now, okay, you can hold your sell position as a swing trader. Okay, because for position traders, I never recommend sell position, because position traders hold their position for a couple of months to couple of years. So as a position trader, you should always be on the buy side only. If you're a positional trader looking for buying on gold for investment purpose, then obviously your only trading strategy should be buy at dip. Means when gold will be around 2950, you can go for a buy. When gold will hit 2850, 2800, that is the best opportunity to buy, that you can hold for the next couple of months and years. But if you're a swing trader, okay, then you can expect to ride the trend of the market. So if you have any sell, okay, you can hold your sell position because the market is weak. Though we do not have any solid fundamental reason right now, okay, that will bring gold towards 2500, 2600, or that will make gold fall towards uh, 2400, because many of you are also holding gold from 2400, 300 also. Okay, but still I feel that the selling may remain. Okay, selling may remain on the chart of gold for next few days until and unless, okay, we see market forming a higher high. Okay, so the structure of the market is going to play a major role here. Unless you see market forming a higher high, you can expect the market to continue to downside. The correction will continue because corrections are important for proper functioning of any market. Clear? So after the market opening, if we see gold going up, observe the market. Usually we don't see much volume craziness after the market opening. So if market acts like a normal Monday market, we can expect to sell around 2052, 2053. This is the first level where you can look for a sell, but keep in mind this is not a very strong level. This is a weak level. The second selling opportunity will be around 306263 area. 3062 3063 area, and the best level to sell is around 3080. 3080 is the best level where you can look for a sell position. Let me show you why. So here we are simply using our beloved Fibonacci here. You can see around 305253 we have Fibo 0.236 as the level. So if market hits the level, observe the market. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. Especially in a Monday market, okay, during the first half we don't see much volume. There's a high chance that we will get an opportunity, but this is not a very good level to trade during the US session. Okay, you can see we also have a selling opportunity around 3073 also, okay, because of Fibo 38.2% retracement level. And you can also say that previous support will be working as resistance here, this one, this support. Okay, so this is also a level you can consider, but we are considering, okay, this particular high of Fibonacci. If you're not much familiar, okay, don't need to get into complications. Okay, we are considering 3062 because of this Fibo again plus previous support will be working as resistance. Simple price action. We are also considering 3080, or we are considering 3080 to be the best level to take a sell position because of Fibo, plus we have the 200 moving average working as dynamic resistance. So in simple words, okay, we have four levels: 305253. Okay, this is not a very strong level. Then we have a medium level around 306364. We have a level around 3073. Okay, then we have a 3080. 3080 is the strongest level here. If you see market going up sharply, then forget about these levels. Okay, then only focus on 3080. And as the structure of the market is weak as of now, okay, because the market structure has changed, we need to be flexible. Couple of days ago we were only buying because market was bullish, but as the structure has changed, we also need to be, okay, we also need to change, we also need to be on the sell side right now. So here we are looking for sell positions only unless the structure changes again. So as of now, okay, these are the four levels where you can look for a sell if market goes up. Market opening is going to be important. If market opening is slow, dull like Monday, then all the levels, okay, we can expect to work. Otherwise only focus on 3080. Here, if market doesn't go up, because we see many times that, okay, market is weak, okay, uh, sellers are dominating the market. If market fails to go up, we can also look for a sell below 3012. But try to take a sell, okay, below 3012 after some consolidation only, because without consolidation, if market drops, there is a possibility of a false breakdown as well. Okay, and 3000 level may not work as support right now. Maybe you will see some temporary bounce around this area, but uh, in the next few days, okay, there's a high chance that market will break 3000 and market will head towards 2950. If 2950, okay, um, succeeds in providing support to the market, then we can look for a buy position. But if you see the selling pressure is too high, okay, then okay, the next level will be around 2800 or 2850. Let's wait and watch. As of now, let's not talk about 2800 and all. Okay, let's focus on the present correction of the market. Okay, and let's focus on 2950. As of now, market structure is not positive. Market is coming for correction, which is very good, because whatever we goal was showing to us, it was not healthy. So 2950 may be the ultimate support for the market as of now. But right now we can see that goal is not very positive. So following the ongoing trend of the market, it's better and safer for us to be on this sell position only. And positional traders try to be on the buy side only because gold is fundamentally bullish always. Okay, so if market comes down to 2950, 2900, it's the best level to go for a buy. But swing traders and day traders try to be on the sell side only. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And my dear friends, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response for my last workshop. Yes, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again for the last time. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. Hindi classes कल से शुरू हो चुके हैं. So English classes are starting from 11th of April. So it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money, who have learned everything but still in loss. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates here. Hindi classes already started, English starting from 11. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can see I have stretched this for over a period of 1 month so that we can learn and execute at the same time. Because if we learn everything at once, obviously we will be able to finish it off in a very short period of time, but we won't be able to execute properly, isn't it? And these are the topics that we will be learning during the first 3 days. No fancy topics. You can see here nothing about okay institutional level trading, SMC, Elliott waves. No, we will be just looking at the market as it is. Okay, and you will also be getting free risk management guide, discipline guide, dots as calculator, and many other things. And you will also be a part of our WhatsApp community so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. Let me show you. So this is how our WhatsApp group looks like. You will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand where to go for the trades. Okay, where are the key levels? What is the market sentiment? So that you can understand and execute the trades at the same time. Because to become a trader, you need to understand the market sentiment as well as the technical aspects of the market very nicely. So this is how our community looks like. This is a group that I have formed for this April workshop. Many of people also joined the WhatsApp community because they like the free regular market analysis. Okay. And these are the topics for the weekly sessions. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. So if you miss the session, also nothing to worry. I record each and every session because many people join from various parts of the world, but due to time difference, they cannot attend. So I record each and everything. Okay. And the best part is the fees. You can see for 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. But trading takes time. Okay, trading takes time. It's a journey. If you're looking for guidance, mentorship, personal sessions, you can sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime support as well. In semi-annual support, you'll be receiving 2 personal sessions with me, and in lifetime support, you'll be receiving 6 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions. And these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group.